Hello, thank you for joining us in our segment, Having Coffee with the Yakima Health District. Today we have Zachary Roddy from Youth Access and Resource Program joining us. Thank you, Zachary, for being here with us today.
I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
To begin, Zachary, can you share more about your role and position at the Youth Access and Resource Program?
Yeah, so my title's a mouthful. It is Community Behavioral Health Youth Navigator, and part of my job is to help get families connected with services.
Okay. And in Yakima County, as well as many other counties throughout the state and even the nation, it can be kind of hard to navigate mental health resources for youth. Can you share more about how the Youth Access and Resource Program helps simplify that process?
Yeah, so the Youth Access and Resource Program, which we call YARP, is kind of a two-tiered program. So some of our more simplistic referrals are helping families through our Find a Provider tab, which is updated once a month with a lot of the resources in your community, what insurances they accept, how far out they're booking, if they are accepting you, what age group. Our more complex cases get shot to our multidisciplinary team meetings, which we call our MDT. So for each of the 9 counties that YARP exists in, we have representation from DDA, DCYF, law enforcement, behavioral health providers, as well as school administration. We staff those tough cases with the team and the families and kiddo, if appropriate, find out what recommendations they're looking for. Those recommendations are formally drafted and sent to the family within 5 days in that meeting, and part of my job is to follow up with the family to ensure we're making the appropriate connections happen.
Okay, so a lot of different resources for individuals and families to access. And what kind of resources can families and youth expect to find on your website?
100%, yeah. And 13 or older can also self-refer. Anybody can make a referral, documented, undocumented youth, no insurance requirements to access. Our website's really great. We have a calendar of events that lists a lot of what's going on in your community for everything behavioral health and families. I mentioned our Find a Provider tab. All of our documentation is listed in Spanish, from our charter to the MDT process, as well as information for crisis in 988.
That's great to hear. And are there any other resources you'd like to share with the community?
So our Family Youth System and Partner and Roundtable is a coalition that meets once a month that a lot of people with lived experience from youth and family partners from around the state. I encourage you to check that out. We have links on our website where you can access that. As well as just from a connection standpoint, YARP is always willing to table at events. We do outreach such as this, and we have materials that we can hand out and distribute to families and community health providers if they're interested.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Zachary, for being here with us and sharing more information with us all.
I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.